Okay, so you don't know what you want to wear today?
Always like this every day.
I don't blame you. I have 50 pairs of shoes and I don't know what to pick most days. I'm picking for you today. Any choice?
You pick. Yeah, any choice you like. I'll wear it today for you.
Okay. You know what? I'm going to go with something that I'm really excited to wear that I just got a size 12 of. We are going for the Travis Scott 6s.
Okay, I'll wear this now.
Okay, awesome. I can't wait to wear mine as soon as I get home. One of my favorite sayings in life is ask and you shall receive. I mean, you're not going to get something if you don't ask for it. You guys asked for it, you said come back here. And we, through the graciousness of Big Boy Chang, have come back to his, it feels disrespectful to call it a house. Paradise? I think that's closer to the correct word. This house literally changes daily. I mean, yesterday none of these Cavs figures were here. These are beautiful. And then also, swinging around this way, we have 1, 2, 3 pairs of off-white sneakers. It looks like these are all ordered from StockX. These are crazy. I'm not sure how I feel about like the giant rubber spikes on the outsole, but the upper and the rest of the shoe, really nice. This is why we are back here today. These and these only. Oh my freaking goodness. I think this is the first video on at least English speaking YouTube. I know Big Boy made a video on his channel. Go check it out if you guys want to. But this is, I feel so excited to be able to have these in hand. Wow. The first colorway of a new Yeezy model. You guys know how much attention that brings to the shoe. The Yeezy 380 Aliens. And I have to say, having these in hand, these are amazing. Let's get the details out of the way first off. This is a brand new Adidas colorway called the Adidas Yeezy 380. Originally rumored that these were going to be called the 350 V3s, but apparently it is a whole new model called the 380s. People were originally calling them ugly, calling them tube socks, calling them just not enjoying them, and of course you get closer to the release date and everyone starts loving them, and I think these are probably going to resell for over $1,000 depending on the stock, but there's enough hype to make these things resell for over $1,000. They release on November 16th. I believe the retail price point is $220. Correct me if I'm wrong. I've been in Asia for so long, I haven't been keeping up with any North American release dates or anything like that, but I think the retail price is $220. November 16th. So we are getting these more than 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, like 3 weeks before release date. Big Boy Chang got these from a very reputable source back in North America. These are 100% legitimate. No worries about that, guys. We're not reviewing fakes here on this channel. These are really truly quite something to look at. This is exciting for me because I review all of the Yeezy models essentially, and it gets monotonous, it gets repetitive. You have a 350, it's a 350. You can only spin a 350 so many different ways. Same with the 700, same with the 500. It's essentially the same shoe you're taking a look at over and over and over again. So having this here is exciting because this is fresh and new and something cool to look at. One thing that I'm noticing right off the bat is you have this full prime knit upper with sort of like a cutout there, but there's a weird gel poking through some of the holes. I guess that's to provide it some structure. That's probably the polymer that they use so the shoe just doesn't crumple in on itself, but it looks really cool. It almost looks like slime is oozing out of the holes, which really fits into the whole alien motif, and it does look like a space age shoe. This looks like something that an alien would wear, with this light green coming through here, the splotchy gray and white all over the prime knit upper. This is a well-crafted shoe. I mean, I love how these things look. I'm gonna hit you with as many detailed shots of these as possible so you guys can really get up in these in 4K on the Sony a7 III. You guys are probably seeing some beautiful visuals right now. These are so cool. They've been worn already. Like, look at this. Big Boy wears his shoes. Here's the traction pattern. It looks very cool. Of course, a full-length Boost midsole encapsulated in this rubber. Same deal as most of the Yeezys you're gonna see in terms of technology. Like, it's no problem. It's nothing crazily new, it's nothing crazily different, but it is a new model, which means that people are going to get excited about these. These are gonna resell for big money, as I said. These are obviously going to sell out instantly. Be on the ball with these. If you want them, hit up your plug, hit up your connect, start sweet talking your Adidas store manager, whatever you gotta do. Fill out every raffle you can. Get a faster internet connection so you have a chance of getting these on Yeezy Supply. Whatever you gotta do, do it, because these are gonna be so hard to get. Sorry about that. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get a pair. I really hope I'm gonna be able to get a pair. Thinking, holding these in hand now sort of makes me sad, because I like these so much, and I might not be able to get a pair. I'll try my best to get a pair. This is gonna be one of the situations where it's gonna be either a shock drop probably for me, or a raffle that I have no chance of getting. There's zero chance these end up being first come first serve with an announced release date at home in Canada. So I either have to rely on me getting lucky and being on Instagram at the right time, or getting lucky and winning a raffle. And as we all know, I have zero luck in raffles. I don't know, I mean, there's not that much more to say about them. It's a new pair of Yeezys. You guys can see what they look like, and until they come out November 16th, I'm gonna be patiently waiting, because I really, really want to get my hands on a pair of these. Oh, I'll sit in the front, that's okay. The hospitality continues. We are going over to Big Boy Chang's complex. I don't even know what to call it. There's a restaurant, there's an art gallery, there's a bar, there's a sneaker store, there's a toy store. I don't know what to call it. We're going there. I think we're eating and maybe going to his bar or something like that. He's been so nice to us. I'm just terrified to tell him that I don't drink. He's gonna be so disappointed. Christian, you wanna help me break the news to him?
I'll just have your bottles of beer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just pretend to drink them for me. Okay. Thank you. Oh, this is gonna be a squeeze. Don't dent the car, don't dent the car, don't dent the car, don't dent the car. Okay, we're good. That was tight. Thank you. Oh wow, I have food prepared for us already. This is like some crazy ice cream sundae. I don't know what all this stuff is. Okay, let's eat. It is like 4 in the afternoon. I had McDonald's pancakes for breakfast. Haven't eaten since I'm starving. Garlic bread. Spaghetti. The Philippines has some weird obsession with spaghetti. Wow. That tasted really good. I should also mention, they are incredibly comfortable. Oh my goodness. The most comfortable Yeezy by far. If you ever played in the Adidas crazy explosive basketball shoes, very similar feeling. It's just springy and cushiony. The boost is incredible on them. I just checked StockX. There has not been a sale of these on StockX yet. Like, these are freaking impossible to get, and I feel even more honored to have been able to show you guys the first look on YouTube of them. Hopefully this video does really well. If you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Tom Stefanic, because that goes a huge way in helping out the channel and what we do here and building that real family. If you are already part of the real family, I just need you to do one thing: comment Alien 380 down in the comment section below to let me know that you're watching to this point in the video. And that being said, I truly do appreciate every single one of you. I am exhausted. I need to get to sleep. Well, first I need to edit this video, and then I need to get to sleep. So until next time, guys, thank you and peace.
Opinions below, and of course I'll converse with you guys down there too, and of course write some comments. And yeah, that'll wrap it up. If you guys, and yeah, if you guys don't, and you can get some more bonus entries over, and you can get some more bonus entries by being active, and you can get some more now throwing these on feeds. Now these Now these Yeezy 380s are a size 11, and I'm a size 10, so there's going to be some size disparity right here.
A several $1,000 Supreme Remoa
If I were to wear these, to my other size 11 sneakers, so if you were to buy these sneakers, I would recommend going your true size. You could potentially go half a
Hit it long, hit it twice, never hit it minute rights. When you chillin' on the weekend, let me